guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's the video we've been talking about for so long. Can you believe it's finally here?
It's happening.
It's the playroom reveal and Harper's reaction to the playroom. Stay till the end of the video to like make sure you see his reaction because it's so freaking cute.
Before we get too much into it, we want to thank Dropbox for sponsoring this portion of this video. What Dropbox Family is it's easy organization for your family for like your digital assets.
What it's gonna do is it's gonna simplify like your life. You have time for what matters, like hanging out with your kids or just hanging out with family in general.
So you can organize and like consolidate any household information on it. You can store photos and access them from any device that's in your family.
You can keep track of like any important files that you need to have. They can be really large, they can be small, it can be anything.
I feel like it's nice because everything's all in one place. So it's just consolidating like your photos and stuff like that all into one place so you don't have to be going all over the place.
My favorite thing is you can keep things that like you need to keep safe and you can keep it confidential too. So if there's things that like you don't want to lose or anything like that, you can have a safe place to put it.
If anything were to go wrong, you can easily recover documents that are stored there and you can control access to it too. Another cool thing is you can manage passwords from any device that you're on.
Because you're connected with family, you can easily share content. One thing that we did need to use for the playroom was a picture of my dad, which you guys will see later. It's actually hilarious and amazing, so make sure you check that out. But we had to make sure that we had a way to like share those files, and it made it really easy to get that done. A lot of pictures from this whole process, whether it's before of what we were doing and like Harbor seeing the playroom for the first time, and we wanted a safe place to put those all. That way we can look back on the memories, and it's been amazing for us.
And we can share those with our family too, so that they can always access those beautiful memories as well. Access it wherever we want to. So like let's say we're out at a family member's house or a friend's house and we want to show them these pictures of this playroom, we can easily pull it up and show them to them.
If you guys want to check it out, you can click the link in our description
to start Dropbox Family. And thank you to Dropbox for sponsoring this portion of this video.
Beyond these gates is the secret we've been hiding. And do you have your golden ticket? You need a golden ticket.
Are you asking me?
No, I'm asking the viewers. They need a golden ticket.
I didn't handle any golden tickets.
Now for the playroom stuff. I wanted to show you where we started from because this is what it looked like before. We cleaned the carpets, we got everything ready. This is kind of us. We'll insert a bunch of clips of us getting it ready.
But now that pretty much everything's done, we're going to show you guys what it looks like. There's still a couple of things, like little tweaks here and there that we may want to still change down the line, and I'll talk to you about one of them while we're down there, but are you ready? Let's go. All right, are you ready to see it? My wife is right here, ready to show you. Woohoo!
This is the cloud that I thought would be a $15 project. I bought a pack of clouds and I thought, that'll cover this whole thing. I went to the pack of clouds and it covered this much space.
You would think that we would just get like cotton balls or like fluff and put it up there. No, she got like prefabricated clouds that were like $20, so.
It turned into like a $300 project, but it's worth it because come. We have these cute little airplanes and my dad in the window. My dad's a pilot, so that's why he's in the airplane. So I forgot to mention that. But we have this little fridge, which is super cute. It's got food. It's stocked with everything. It's got a little ice tray. Of course, a kitchen, which Harbor loves to come in here while we're watching TV and make me soup. He'll bring me the little like thing and I'll, very good. Cleaning supplies.
So this you saw us in a previous video get the arch ready for.
Yes.
This is supposed to be like a sun, right? That was your initial vision?
Yes.
Okay, so it was supposed to be like a sun. It ended up being so big that we thought maybe not to do the little lines, and that's why we put the lines over here instead. I don't know, I like how it turned out because this is more of like a fantasy land and this is kind of like artistic
sure
of a sun.
Sure.
I don't know, I think it looks cool, it's fun, it brightens up the space a lot. Table and chairs actually was a PR package for us. I don't know if they knew we were doing a playroom or something, but it like was the perfect time.
Okay, but I bought a different table.
Yeah.
And this one is way cuter than the one that I bought.
So we just returned the other table because we like this one. The
so
color
cute.
matches our vibe, like our kitchen cabinets and this Harbor's kitchen, it all matches perfectly. So we're really happy about that. I think Abby talked about the brand on her Instagram a little bit.
These are our beanbag chairs that we sit and Harbor will sit on them, have his snack, watch TV. This is the rug that we originally didn't want to go with.
Yes.
We bought another one that's supposed to be coming in the mail, but we went with this one, and I'm actually happy with it. I really, really like it. I think it's really cute.
This you also saw us get at the baby store for Harbor the other day. He was really excited to see it.
Mr. Mouse.
Because he forgot that he bought it. We also painted these, what are they called? Shelves?
Built-in shelves? I don't know.
So these were here when we got here, and it was nice because we could have these baskets. He can put his toys in it, or this one has diapers in it. That way, everything's like neat, but also like easy to clean up. Here's his fish, a goo. Murderous fish, by the way.
We don't need to talk about it. This is a positive video,
This
babe.
is a positive video, but I'm just gonna say I'm not a fan of this fish very much. Harbor doesn't know the dirty details, but
okay,
let's just say
whatever.
we don't have the scales anymore.
We have some books on the bottom shelf that he can reach, and some toys and some baskets. I put crafts and things up on these top shelves so he can't reach them, but yeah, we got our little baby camera over there so we can watch him.
Spy.
Spying.
This light we hate.
We're gonna, we actually just bought another one. Yeah, we have it in a box over here behind the camera, and we're gonna put it up, so stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see the light that we switched this up to.
We also have this projector, which I think you saw us start to install. I don't know if we finished installing it in a previous video. So this is nice because Harbor can, first of all, watch Baby Shark if he wants to. Abby and I can watch some YouTube, TV, whatever. It's just like a nice cozy little vibe down here. And since this is like, I don't know if you guys know the layout of our house, but it's like, this is like a family room, and then there's 3 bedrooms and a laundry room and a storage room and a bathroom, all connected here. So there's lots of doors connected here, but no windows because we're in the basement. So it's really easy to watch a projector on. So it's a nice space for it. General overview of it all, as you can see, the whole room put together. We love it. It's a really fun space for him. Everything that he loves. So I think it was just the perfect thing for him, and we're so happy with it.
Now for the best part of the video is Harbor's reaction to this all. He hasn't seen it in weeks. He's been suspicious of what we've been doing down here. He knows that we've been up to something. He's been like screaming over the baby gate, and I've been so excited to show him. So now it's time for Harbor's review. Woo! Do you actually want to come down here? You can come down here now. Do you want to see what we've been working on? What is down here? Ooh, what is that? You want to get down and see?
What are you gonna play with?
You love it?
Isn't it awesome? What do you want to play with first? You can play with anything.
Even a goo's here. A goo. Yeah. All right, cue a montage of Harbor figuring out his new playroom. That's pretty much it for our playroom reveal, and that is us showing our son his dream playroom, basically. This would be my dream if I was a child.
We were just talking about that. This feels like the kind of
for
place, like, you go over to your cousin's house and you're like, this is awesome,
Yeah.
and you think about it later when you're home. And
Yeah.
Oh.
We're just so happy to be able to give this to him and show it to you guys, so
And it was really, really fun to put together, just like think about his reaction and everything. So.
But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to stay tuned, subscribe. We have lots more house projects coming, but we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.